So let's go to my phone. Let me show you how many millions TikTok pays me for 1,000 views. After calculating for 1,000 views, then we'll go calculate how many millions where they pay me for 1 million views. Before I take you to my phone, I've heard a lot of you struggle for TikTok monetization, struggle for UK TikTok and all that, all right? So if you're a content creator or you have been struggling to monetize your TikTok account, please, you need to watch this video till the end. Today, we are going to be checking if it is really worth it or not. All right, let's go to my phone immediately. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe bar and smash the bell icon. This is Solo Communications. Here we talk about different ways you can make money online. We teach you different skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, and the rest of them. We go as far as looking out for websites that promises to pay you for performing different tasks, and if it works, we bring it down here for you to try it out and make some money for yourself. All right. Before I take you to my phone, I've heard a lot of you struggle for TikTok monetization, struggle for UK TikTok and all that. All right. So if you're a content creator or you have been struggling to monetize your TikTok account, please, you need to watch this video till the end. Today, we are going to be checking if it is really worth it or not. All right. Let's go to my phone immediately. So it won't be like I formulated it myself. Let's just search Google first of all. So we see this. Okay. How much does TikTok pay? Very simple. Let's go. All right. So we're going to check the first, which is coming from Gemini. It says TikTok pays creators through the TikTok Creators Fund, which pays based on the number of views a video received. TikTok pays creators around 0.02 to $0.04. That is 2 cents or 4 cents. So they don't even pay you up to 50 cents. Talk more of paying you $1 for 1,000 views. So for those of you who thought they make $1 for every 1,000 views, please, it is a lie. Okay. So for each 1 million views, TikTok can only pay you between $20 to $40, depending on your location for every 1 million views. So you go know what it go take you to actually make 1 million views. So it won't be like I just searched what I like or Gemini told a lie. So this post was made in 1st of January 2025. So let's open it. How much does TikTok pay in 2025? TikTok payment structure primarily revolves around its creators fund. Using this, TikTok pays 0.02, that's 2 cents to 4 cents per 1,000 videos. So they have to pay you, translating to a potential earning of $20 to $40 for each 1 million views where your video gets. So guy, you go now say for you to even make $100, you guys get like maybe 1 billion views. Now you go now answer yourself to know if it is worth it or not. So let's see 100k views. You make only $2 or $4. You can see that that's the way you think, you know, be waiting it actually mean. This is why people like us structure the means to actually pay ourselves, which I'm going to tell you how to get access to it. I will teach you. Without this TikTok Creators Fund, you can actually make far more than someone who depends on TikTok's Creators Fund. Are you getting me? So you need to stay till the end of the video so you can know how we actually make money on TikTok without this so-called creators fund. We say they use the confusion now. Let's go there. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe bar and smash the bell icon. This is Solo Communications. Here we talk about different ways you can make money online. We teach you different skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, and the rest of them. We go as far as looking out for websites that promises to pay you for performing different tasks, and if it works, we bring it down here for you to try it out and make some money for yourself. All right. Of course, I know you now know the answer to this. All right. You can see that that's in where they struggle for a TikTok monetization, TikTok payment. It is not worth it. Now, let me tell you what you don't know. Monetization doesn't mean until the platform starts paying you. That is the secret we digital marketers discovered, and we have found out ways to actually pay ourselves without waiting for the platform to start paying us. All right. There are different ways you can monetize your social media account. And the main thing is, first of all, to be able to understand how to create content and grow your social media account. When you've grown your social media account, the monetization that comes from either the platform paying you, one, you getting brand endorsement, brand deals, and adverts from brands. The third one is you looking for a way to monetize yourself. This one is going to give you a more consistent source of income. Now, there are different ways you can do this. Either you look for a product that is related to your niche and sell to your audience. These products can be digital products, physical products, or whatever. You can as well get a general product that anybody would need. And then you create content and promote it to your followers and the rest of the social media users. That is how you monetize your social media account. Conclusively, you cannot be able to achieve this if you don't know how to create content that works. Because for you to be able to make money on social media, you should be able to know how to create content that will help grow your account, and also content that will eventually help sell whatever product you want to sell. And this is why we created a beginner guide on how to become successful as a content creator in 2025. If this is what you want, then all you need to do is to follow me, come to the comment section and comment content creation, and we're going to send you a link to get access to that training. It is actually free of charge at the moment. Make sure you share this video so you can get to more people who have been struggling to monetize their social media accounts. With Absolute Money Tricks, I sign out.